Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshupagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. The ice breaks between Pagat and Kanyo, but the tension flames with her and Zwandile when Pagat let slip Zagit was in the elevator. Lindo encouraged Nomusa to fight for Emsam, while Shira enlisted Jyoti help in getting Naropi to forgive Mira. Tuesday. The Bengu householder is surprised when Mandlovu finally returns. Kanyo and Zwandile makes up and she suggests move back home. While Naropi learn the truth about Jyoti involvement and she turn on Shira whilst Nomsa agreed to the ritual. Wednesday. Nomusa and Tusheleni and start the ritual to undo the dark magic. The lack of senior management caused Zagiti to take strain. Thursday. Nokzola visits Zetulele in prison. When he tell her move on, she tell him he can't have because she contested their divorce and they still married. Tando and Bali both have their sights set on winning their heart of the church, they can't and they compete for his attention. Friday, Kulego and Noxola talk for the first time in a longer time and he tell her off for being selfish. Nomusa does not want to sell Emsam. She tell her employer that everyone will proceed as a plan. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.